Wow. Yeah. That was. I'd like to, I would like to have seen this when it was all up and running as a station. All the gentry, the horse and carts and everything. So both of these were lines, I'm guessing.
Yeah, so this is the Yate one.
And then the Bath one is the one going up off to the left?
Yeah, well, Warmley Bath runs parallel.
Ah, okay.
So these would then collide into one that goes into centre Bristol.
I used to cycle back and forth here for my last job almost every day. And you know what? I've never stopped to see it.
So that'd be great framing for my missus, using the window frame, getting a wide angle lens. Because it must have been a big station, because look, there's the water on the other side.
So this was the track to Bath.
Yeah, so that's Bath, Warmley.
Bath that way.
Warmley, Bitton.
And
Bath.
Bristol back that way.
Yeah, and Yate that way.
And Yate up and to the right.
Don't know where it goes after Yate, but
I don't know.
I don't know if it's over like this past Yate. I don't know how far it goes actually.
Well, one thing's for sure, it was surely a nice station, wasn't it?
Yeah.
When it was built.
Yeah. Now, if there was a line on that side, or whether this was just, I mean, I guess you could have got two lines along here anyway.
Yeah, I suppose so. Lines. Well, it looks like, as you were saying, that little hole there was obviously to get through to the other side, because they've patched up this floor here.
Yeah. Don't know. I don't know what's on the other side. Not saying I've ever really.
Yeah, but I don't know. It looks strange, doesn't it? Because again, you've got platform.
So you know when we went through that little tunnel down there?
Yeah.
Well, there is a cycle track that runs along there as well. So maybe that's part of that. So
oh, really?
Maybe there used to be one. They've just not ever connected up.
Oh.